3 persons died in Naga City due to Tropical Storm Enteng. Intense flooding battered Naga City and other areas in Bicol since Sunday.
Lumalabas na 3. Isa po doon sa Spillway, Concepcion, Pequeña. Isa sa Igualdad, isa sa Calawag. Pero meron pang isa na nasa hospital ngayon.
In Naga City alone, over 1,500 families from 27 barangays were affected by the floods. Residents say the sudden rise of flood waters was unexpected.
10 minutes lang po, umaapaw na yung tubig sa amin.
Oo, lagi niyo ba itong na-experience?
Ay, actually po, first time lang po itong experience dito sa Triangulo.
A video taken by Ray Guanizo, resident of Barangay Balatas, Naga City, Sunday night shows flood waters reaching neck deep. The